Hey guys, it's now Fern Just Like Exotic. So we're gonna be showing you how we do the paint protection film installation and the process of getting there. So behind me is a machine called the Graphtec FC9000. It's the biggest one that actually they carry, and we have that here in our shop. What it does is it's gonna cut precisely the measurements for every single part of your car, and it's not gonna risk you getting any cuts with the knife in the paint. We load it up with our Lumar paint protection film, specifically there to have a perfect cut. Then we're gonna head over to the office, which we're gonna be getting, open up the system and the software. We'll be sending the actual patterns to the machine, getting the cut, and then install in the car. Take a look so you can see what I'm talking about. So again, welcome to my office. So right here in the computer, we have the software in place. In this specific demo, we're gonna be showing how we cut the bumper section for the Porsche 911 Carrera for us. We're gonna click on the actual bumper itself. As you can see, everything is detailed. We're gonna click on cut, and as soon as we click cut, it's gonna render and it's gonna cut over there. Let's go and take a look. Now finally, the finished product is applied on the bumper, protecting against grease, rock chips, waterproof, insect acid, everything that's gonna discard, protect, and get into the traffic and the lane.